Hi everyone, today we're going to make a blueberry muffin coffee cake with a yummy buttery crumble on top. This is a delicious blueberry coffee cake and it's really easy to make. You can find all the details and the free recipe on my website, tiffanybliss.com. The first thing we're going to do is preheat the oven to 400 degrees. Then we'll head over to the mixer and add in our ingredients. We're going to put in 1.5 cups flour, 3/4 cups sugar, and a half teaspoon of salt. We'll add 1/3 cup vegetable oil, and since we're not using eggs in this recipe, we'll add 1 tablespoon of vinegar and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Then add in 1/3 cup milk and mix well. If you notice your batter is a little thick, you can add more milk to thin it out. It should look like this. In a separate bowl, add your blueberries and coat them with flour. Next, we'll fold in the blueberries by gently mixing them in. In a separate bowl, we're going to make the yummy crumble topping. We're going to cube some butter and mix in flour and sugar. Now in a large 9 by 12 greased baking dish, add the blueberry batter and sprinkle on the yummy crumble topping. Then we'll put it in the oven for 20 minutes or until golden brown on top. And then you have a yummy blueberry muffin coffee cake that is divine. And that's it! This is a quick and easy recipe to make, and it's great for weekends. Let me know what you think in the comments down below, and I'll see you next time.